Well, here's my stock lawnmower, my only one I have. I got a blade on it. Just figured I'd show you guys how I plow my driveway when it snows. Doesn't snow much here anymore, so but yeah, just got a Craftsman blade on it, in really good shape. Got chains on it. They work great. I'm actually shocked how well this thing works. I mean, my driveway's pretty flat, but it does the job. It's a hydrostatic, small motor, but pretty much new lawnmower, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, let's go do it, and I'll time lapse the video for you.